Hello and namaskar. Welcome to the next episode of India Bounce Back. I know you are all excited to meet the dignitary today. And this is going to be an amazing insight because this is a journey, a story of a self made woman who has crafted her life the way she wanted. And there is a lot to learn. There is a lot to learn from her journey. So stay tuned, stay excited till the end. Let me read the professional introduction. Interior design was an accident for an IPS aspirant, Sushmita Singh ji. Hailing from Allahabad, her career took off in the year 1992. Interior designer, entrepreneur Sushmita Singh has started up twice and made an average revenue of rupees 10 crores every 4 to 5 years. She got into the profession when she had no choice and continued with it with her own choice. The 22-year-old wanted to earn a name for herself, to be someone with her own identity, filled with strong values and ethics. She put her entire energy in doing what she was trained for, and that is interior design. She pursued a diploma in interior design from South Delhi Polytechnic for Women in 1992. A few weeks into her job, there was no looking back. Nearly 3 decades later, she knows now the ins and out of her profession and find the same joy and excitement as she was starting new. In 1994, after working on a corporate projects for 2 years, Sushmita decided to change jobs and joined Raheja Continental, a Delhi-based design firm that catered to private residences and handled project worth 100 crores. For Sushmita ji, working for Raheja involved designing the residential spaces of business magnates includes Sanjeev Goenka and the Birla family. Wow, what's an amazing achievement. Having worked with multinational like UNICEF, took her work ethics and thought process to a more professional level. She says God has always been kind as she got to work with the best in the industry. Her independent projects include fashion retail to chains of escort hospitals to footwear design development India, NCRT, international schools in Dehradun, hotels, spas, saloons, corporate offices, residences of top industrialists of India and Dubai. The USP of her firm, initially called as LNZ Turnkey Interiors, was turnkey projects which designed, manufactured, and executed projects with complete transparency and attitude no Delhi setup had back by then. Passion to keep creating, coupled with commitment, ethics, and transparency, is his mantra to work. Sushmita Singh ji, I'm really honored as a part of India Bounce Back team. I'm really honored that today you were able to take time to have this interview with us. Thank you. We are delighted that you're here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me, Dr. Dhingra. It is a pleasure to be on a new platform because I have always been between Itagara, as we call it, and also between academics later on.
Yes.
So again, a digital world is a third one which I'm going to be, I'm happy that I'm here. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much. It's a privilege. Uh, to begin, what I just read is a professional introduction, which many people can read from, while they search for you on Google. I want to know the journey of this, strong lady who crafted her own life in her own way. Your journey, your education, your experiences, your challenges in your own way.
Strong lady, yes. I was always a strong person. I think I got it from my parents. Both my parents are very, very strong, uh, were very strong, and I think they transmitted those values and those strengths in us, and never to compromise, of course. My father was a very black and white person, and I am also a very black and white person, and that transmitted into my work as well,
Wow.
and that became the base of my philosophy in life also. And I never believed in marketing myself, you know do less, talk more, or do more. I was mainly do itna and talk this much, let your work speak for itself.
Wow.
So I never had a website. I never created a website for myself, and I never used to carry a. I'm not being arrogant. I'm just being what I believed in. I thought if I will work well, my clients will remember my work and my name. And it did happen that way. I never used to carry a business card with me. It used to
Wow.
be in my purse, but I never used to give.
Wow.
I wanted people to remember my work, and whenever if they thought that, okay, she has delivered, they'll definitely ring me again. And today I'm on the threshold of 28 years of my career, and my 20-year-old clients, 15-year-old clients, 12-year-old clients, touch wood, are calling me back that we want you doing our places again. And
Wow.
I'm happy. That is what I have earned. I have not
Wow.
earned Porsches, I have not earned BMWs, but I have earned faith of my clients.
Wow.
And I'm
Simply
happy.
amazing. Simply amazing. And I think this is a great learning for all the viewers right now. Because being into the coaching industry, consulting industry for years, I have seen people struggling to get that card, that designations. People are actually desperate to get their names inked with the kind of different kind of designation. And something very common I just want to share with you. It's been
Yes.
16 years in the industry. I still don't have a website.
So we have very few common things.
Yeah.
That's a high five.
That's I think so. Same fundamental. When you're speaking, I also, from the core of my heart, speak in the same way that it's been 16 years and the work is speaking. People recognize and people call us back and again. I think that's something really, really that gives you a sense of proud,
It gives you a sense of belonging and
belonging.
being yourself.
True,
You don't
true.
have to be something which you are not.
Yes, yes.
No, no shams, no camouflages.
True, 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 true. Wonderful, wonderful. So, to all the viewers, it's a great lesson. Don't rush for designations. Those fancy designations might work for a time, might give you a recognition for a time, but your work will speak for generations. So moving to the next question. You are known to be a perfectionist. In last 3 decades, you have done some exceptional work. Uh, so could you please tell my viewers today what are your success mantras of managing team, managing stakeholders when you are working for people like Goenkas or Birlas or some
Yeah.
other industries and dignitaries. So how or what was your mantras of success and how you were able to manage team, stakeholders, people around, everything, and your
I,
family?
my father used to say that since I'm from an agricultural background, he used to say, you sow one seed, you'll get only one plant. You will not get four plants. You understand? So
Yes.
that is how I, grew up. How you imbibe from whatever people talk around you. You know, I imbibe from people, from my parents, from my, so-called workers. They were my left and right hands. I used to sit with them. I was not their boss. I was them.
True.
I used to sit with them. I was a hard taskmaster because from 9:30 to 10 o'clock in the night, I used to be at the site with them, not sitting in an AC office, So if you want people to work with you, you have to be like them and be them.
True.
If I will sit in the office, how will they work? हम लोग के ज़माने में कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइंस नहीं थी.
True.
सब
True.
ड्राइंग्स कागज पे होते थे. So
True.
that was the reason we were drawing as well as we were at the site, not completely dependent on the supervisors. So there was a humane touch. I have workers with me today who are with me for the last 20 years.
Wow.
Contractors, 15 years, 20 years, they have with me. Why? Because we have worked together as a team, as a human beings, not as tyrants or I'm paying you so you have to work. No.
True.
And no, and I feel if you want to get the work done from people, with people, you have to learn the trade yourself. So you have to learn plumbing. You have to learn in my line, plumbing, electrical, civil, fall
Everything.
sealing, the materials, how the material reacts when you cut. एक लकड़ी होती है teak, एक लकड़ी होती है कुछ और. हर के काटने के अलग वो होते हैं. So that is how you have to learn these things. If you don't know, how will you understand how much of effort is being put by the other guy? You know, if you know the effort put by the other guy, you will not shout at them.
True.
You will give
True.
them that kind of time to complete it.
True.
It is not about just making a wall, but curing a wall. If you will not give time to cement to cure, how will the cement hold the wall?
Hold the
So
wall.
these are small, small things, but technically very right. So my concentration was always 80% of the work, you know, that is the skeleton system of any project, the electricals, the civil work, and the plumbing. 20 work, definitely 20% comes out, but that 80% is what gets you clients throughout your life.
True. 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 Just a question which pops in my mind right now.
Yeah,
I have been working with small and medium industries for last 5 years.
yeah,
And the one statement which I heard with most of them is कि सर ये लेबर्स के साथ ना काम करना बड़ा मुश्किल है. आप नहीं समझते, कॉर्पोरेट से आप आए हैं, शायद कॉर्पोरेट में लोग अलग तरीके से होते हैं. यहाँ
yes,
हमें लेबर्स को दिमाग में रख के काम करना पड़ता है. वो
हाँ,
हमारे लेवल से मैच नहीं करते हैं. आई थिंक देयर आर सर्टेन assumptions with which they operate, and that's, I think, one of the core reason they are not able to take the maximum productivity from the people or get along with people. uh,
yes.
can you just tell me, how do you manage that? How, like, it is saying that yes, you should be understanding them, be with them, be one of them. Any one example which you can relate so that it can inspire people that with because of your people you were able to do certain things unimaginable.
See, we are all a mixed herd. The entire human civilization is a mixed herd. Not everyone is an individual. Everyone is an intellectual.
True.
Not everybody is a labor, and not everybody is this and that. Not everybody is IT professional and IT,
True.
big wig. But we all have brain. We have to understand that we are social beings and we have brains. Social being means you are emotional, you are thinking being, and you can deliver. And having a brain is you can decipher.
True.
So if you have these four things in your mind, you can get work out of people. I have had, these laborers whom you catch them at labor chalk, so-called labor chalk, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Very,
yes.
very bad term. I don't like it, but it is named. So I have had some such intelligent workers from there who have associated with me from labor chalk, and they are intelligent. It's how you groom them, how you
True.
get the best out of them is up to you.
True. True.
I
And that,
have had students, I have been teaching also. So students who have associated with me, who have been, out listed by college. But if you groom them, they can come out to be gold-plated human beings in terms of professionals.
wonderful. Yes.
So mine is you have to have patience. You have to have the intention to make people grow. You don't want to grow you alone. You want to make people grow along with you, earn along with you. You don't earn alone. You want them to earn also and be happy end of the day. They should not say, oh, she's earning in lakhs and see, she is fighting for 10 rupees, which people do sometimes, and I've
True.
heard.
True.
Sorry.
True.
At
True.
least I have not had this kind of, because I believe in growing and making other people's grow.
True.
And
True.
touch wood, I have had workers who come and tell me, ma'am, आपकी वजह से मेरे 3 पक्के मकान बन गए. So
Good.
मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. End of
I
the day,
think
yes. You
good.
know, it's a compliment, and and you have to understand the kind of responsibility they have, the kind of background they're coming from. Even vendors, it's not easy for them to survive in this market.
True. True.
So
Very true.
there's a constant communication happening. What you want, how you help them develop, what you want, what the technology, what kind of things are required. You talk to them, they go search for it, and they come back to you. So in the process, they are also growing. They
True.
are searching, they're researching, they're going further in the market. So a growth is happening all the time, increase in their financial status, in the people. It's happening all over. So it is a circle. So if the circle is positive about growth, it will happen. And that is what we need to do. It cannot be a one-way traffic. It has to be a circle, a
True.
healthy circle which
True.
grows with you.
Good. I think very well summed up. Next question to you is, please tell us more about your firm, Sushmita Singh Designs, and what was the motivation behind that?
Sushmita Singh Designs was earlier the first firm
The
which I
first firm.
started my career with was LNZ. That
LN.
is my mother's name initials.
Oh,
That
okay.
was an ode to my mother.
Okay.
She was LN Singh. So instead of Singh, I had said Z, so LNZ. But that was my ode to my mother. She was a very intelligent, very serene, tranquil person I've ever come across in my life. And in fact, our the groundedness which we have got, it is from her. She belonged to a very, very rich family in Assam. They still are there, and but she was very grounded. I learned that from her. We all, brothers and sisters, we have learned from her. And that is how the same quality and values has flowed in Sushmita Singh Designs, LNZ and Sushmita Singh Designs. I used to have food with my workers. I used to cook at the factory. I could cook at the site. You have to be. It is not your work. It is you,
True.
and that is what is Sushmita Singh Design is all about. You just don't talk of profits all the time.
True.
You
True.
talk about happiness which the client derives after the home or office or spa or saloon is given. The strengths you give them as a designer, as a space planner, how much of involvement and time you're giving to them is important. Because my वो होता है ना numbering, वो rate कि you enter the door of the client and your money starts count, the countdown starts.
True.
I'm not that kind of a person
True.
even
True.
today, because that is how it happens. The industry is like that. This is how everywhere works. I am not like that. That's all I can say. I accommodate my clients.
So I think that's again a great learning. So to all the people, I think those who are running industries, working with people as a manager, supervisor in different organizations, entrepreneurs, this is a great learning and message for all of us. Whether you consider this message in a different way, but if your work involves working with people and people working with you, or and in a both way, you need to be you need to be caring, you need to understand them, you need to be with them, you need to feel them, as what rightly said. And I think that's how we all should grow. And this post pandemic, now the humane touch is very, very important. And I think this is a learning for every one of us, because right now people, those who are having that uncertainty in their mind, confusions in their mind, there's a lot of uncertainty and confusion. We need to have a more human touch. Yes, profits are getting affected, but then still these इन्हीं लोगों ने हमें पहले बनाया और यही लोग शायद बाद में हमें फिर खड़ा करेंगे. I think we need to just consider them. So
What I've also come across during this time is that I never thought of working with such limited budgets, but I learned it, and I'm really going into deeper. So it is giving you a different dimension to thinking process, a new kind of entrepreneurial expertise which didn't exist, because when you have this much of a wider range to choose from, and now you have a restricted thing, you think differently. You start seeing options. Oh, I can save here also. Oh, I can save there also. So this is the kind of the thought process starts. And you start the same thing starts all around. Everybody starts thinking. It transmits.
Yes.
It's just like pandemic.
Yes.
But it is a positive pandemic.
It's a
thought process. That okay, कम में भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, कम में भी कर सकते हैं.
कम में भी कर सकते हैं. It is a beautiful line. I love interior design because it is both high, medium. I will not say कि low because it is everything, I'm not being politically right. I'm just being what I'm saying is because, see, yes, interior design is a slightly expensive industry, but there are ways of thinking, things you can deliver in an economic way if you want to.
True. If you want to, that's the desire
True.
and intent which is required. Correct. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
So if there is an intent, there is a result.
True. Very true. Now, the next question is again, it will be a great learning. You were involved in designing the residential spaces of Sanjeev Goenka, Khetans of Kolkata, Boila family, and also Williams and Mager, UNICEF, Escorts Hospital, YMCA, and whole lot of other wonderful
Yes.
designs for people. How was that experience? And really, if I have to sum up, if I would like you to sum up for my viewers your experience as a learnings, because this was not only you're doing your expertise, what you are good at, but you are also managing stakeholders,
Yes.
managing
Yes.
stakeholders with high stakes. So how was that experience, and how you manage that?
See, the stakeholders were of all kinds. First comes the client, which then then the company for which you were working. I was working with Raheja, so I was dealing with those
Yes.
kind. So Mr. Raheja was a boss. I think I have to dig, I don't know how many meters down to get a boss like him.
Wow.
The kind of trust he showed, probably it was both because it was like me also was like that. So first it's me and then him, you understand. Until date, I left work with him long time back, but till date I think there is not a single week where we do not communicate.
Wow.
A man of his stature,
Yes.
why would he talk to a small time designer like me? But he is a good human being. I learned a lot from him. I learned patience from him. I learned to say sorry from him. I learned to say thank you from him. That small nitty gritties. An excellent human being. I've never felt so secure as a girl working. I was all of 22 when I joined Rajas, and I was an atom bomb when it came to anger because काम मेरे को चाहिए था. मैं काम करने वाली इंसान थी और मेरे को पता था कि काम नहीं करेगा तो टंग जाएगा पंखे के जगह. I mean, that way,
True.
not in a negative
True.
way.
True. I know. No. Yes.
You have to be accountable. So
True.
accountability came very strong with me. For me, every small penny which was given to me for site expenditure was accountable.
True.
I was given huge sums of money in cash, and not a single penny went here and there. And I was handling huge bunch of workers, and I was also traveling full time. So all these things, you are when and the client is, they have done their bit of choosing designs. Now it is you. So accountability towards your firm, your client, your workers, it is all coming. It comes to material, the timeline you have to keep. So there have been times when I've not slept for three days because a site had to be completed. So that is a kind of responsibility and commitment you have uh, let's say, respect the faith what the stakeholder has,
True.
and all the organization's status. Like Reja, they had a status. We could not compromise a little bit also, and my eyes were trained to see differences in 1 mm till date. My workers used to say, please don't see. They used to fear that she'll come and she'll say, वो 2 mm टेढ़ा है, वो 3 mm टेढ़ा है. But I was like that, and I'm that till date. Training, commitment, and this comes out of commitment. That
True.
what will my clients say if we say something like this? What if my clients' friends, they come and say, oh, what kind of job? This could have been done better. So these kind of things keep coming into your mind when you're working.
True.
And then something new. What more can you do to keep your clients intrigued by the work? What new is that for 10 years or 5 years it should look fresh? They
True.
should not get so
True.
the surface designing is very important. So all these things they keep coming onto your mind. What new material? So you are digging for material, then research, the concept. All you are multitasking, multifaceted all at the same time.
True.
You
True.
cannot say कि अरे वो करेगा वो करेगा. हम लोग के टाइम में वैसा नहीं था न, आज है. And I see more confusion than result many
Yes.
times. A lot
Yes.
of
It
confusion
happens.
happens
True.
because
True.
you're explaining 10 people.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the commitment to and the resilience to excel in everything you are doing. That is what kept you, on edge and keep all the stakeholders happy, running, moving, all that.
Wow. Wow. Another amazing learning. And I want to just, in my viewers, to all the people who are watching, if you're parents, I really want you to just learn from this insight. This is too important. This is not what has came out overnight with her. I think this is a pure example of a value system with which she was born, and which continued with her. And I think she was able to live up to that value system because it was imbibed in her. So it's a great learning for all the parents, that whatever best you can do for your child in today's environment, in today's so much of competitive environment, just help create a wonderful value system. So uh, 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 moving ahead, every great individual and every person who has a ups and downs stories of creation and development has a bounce back moment in their life when it was a critical decision to take, whether it was a critical decision to take, whether switching from Raheja to your own or anything like that, whether doing a project for Goenka, any kind of thing where things were not so clear, not so sure, but still we go into that unknown zone and create something for ourselves. So what was a bounce back moment of your life?
Bounce back moment was when I had shut my factory after 18 years because my son was small. I had one child and he was in sixth standard. And I thought he needed my time. And indeed, when you're running a factory and you're running 8 projects at a time, you don't have time. You're
True.
working from 9 to 9.
True.
So one day I just thought, what am I doing? Why did I bring my child into this world? For not for this,
True.
you know. So it was a very, very conscious decision. I gave my workers time. They were not ready to leave. They had built up entire life around our work, and the families were fed. So they were not ready to leave, but they had that cushioning with me. So, but I gave them a year and a half to please start searching for your, new zone. And I had to start my new zone, which was my child and my life, which was important for me that, he be groomed, he be given the values and time for which he has been brought into this world. So that was a conscious decision. I shut my factory at my peak,
Well, I think
but
that could be a very, very difficult
it
decision
was
for
a
you.
very difficult but very strong decision, and it took me time, but I had to take a decision. And by then I came into academics, so I was getting Saturday, Sunday as holidays, which I never got in my life, and all my life I was working.
Yeah.
So that was a good time. I was with my child, and for 6 7 years I was into academics. And again, one of my clients, he is now the managing director of Expo Mart, Greater Noida.
Wow.
He's managing director, Mr. Rakesh Kumar.
Yes.
He commissioned me to do his house in GK1. So that was my bounce back with Sushmita Singh Designs. Earlier it was LNZ.
Mm.
And somebody said, why don't you now take your name? You have worked enough to put your name in your design now. So it was a decision like that, and that is how Sushmita Singh Designs was born.
Oh wow.
And same person, a rebirth in terms of company name. And Rakesh ji has been a very, very good person. I was a new person, I was unknown to him. And you wouldn't believe lines of architects and interior designers would love to work for him. But he
Perfect.
commissioned me, which I till date feel very obliged. I also did his Himachal house, which was a complete wooden house, minus any concrete. So, that was a bounce back. Then again, Pearl, I was doing, sustainable resort of bamboo and all that in Nainital. I was getting into, that mode
That
now.
mode now. Wow.
Yes, environment friendly material, less of carbon footprint and all that. So, because the world has been going through a lot of these things, so sustainable energy, sustainable energy efficient, all these terminologies are happening, but were we really working for it or not? So, in my small way, I started coming into it, and then Pearl Academy happened. They invited me to join them in Jaipur. I joined as their head of the department of interior architecture.
Oh, wow.
Then I was there for 2.5 years. I loved Jaipur. It was like going back to my roots. I'm a Rajput
Oh,
by birth. So for me, it was like going back to my roots, and it reminded me of my Allahabad city in many ways. The tehzeeb, the way people talk, the
true,
pace, and so rich in heritage.
true.
So Pearl was a very turning point, but I was still working. Even with Pearl, I was doing these projects. I did not compromise on Pearl. There also, I was known as a hard task master. The department needed me, the students needed me, so I gave my best there also to the best of my ability. And I'm happy that, my dean there was very accommodating, very, very like whatever I wanted for the students, I was given.
Hmm.
So for me, again, it was never for myself, but for the people
For
for
the
whom
people.
I was there.
True.
And then Sushmita Singh Design has continued working, and my bounce back has not let me down. My clients have called me back, and I'm very happy. And
Wow.
I'm again in the process of establishing my factory, because I feel without my factory, I am without my hands.
True.
I don't believe in getting it done by people. I like to be done in front of me, because my furnitures do not budge even in 20 years. That is the kind of technique I give to my furnitures.
Wow. Wow. Amazing.
So
Amazing. So,
again,
learning a lot from you. Now, I want to give you a tough question.
help me.
And the tough question is, if you have to actually give credit to 5 of your qualities or skills of what all you have achieved so far,
Yeah.
what all skills and qualities will get that credit? 5.
My
Okay.
focus,
Okay.
strong headedness, staying on my ground, staying the ground, or you can call that, staying the ground in the sense, if I believed in something, nobody could budge me. Transparency,
Okay.
respect.
Wow.
Respect for my work, for my client, for my workers, for everything around.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Rest, everything follows.
Yes. Now moving to the next round, and let's make this interview a little more interesting for the viewers. The next round is a rapid fire round. So
Okay.
I will speak one word, and what first word or sentence comes in your mind, you have to speak that.
Okay.
So you're ready?
Yes.
Okay, great. Allahabad.
Take Jazba, my mother, my second mother, and that's me.
Self-made.
Absolutely.
Okay. Uh, Sangeeta Kataria.
My first boss, a lady, a very strong lady, and wonderful human being.
Wow, good. Raheja Continental.
My window to high-end interiors, my window to a world which I had never thought existed.
Wow. And a boss.
Wonderful boss.
Gender discrimination.
Never felt it. Give other people a problem.
Okay, that's the true spirit. Good. Okay, family.
My roots, my support system. I cannot exist without them.
Okay, Sushmita Singh Designs.
my lifeline, my bread and butter, my commitment to a lot of people who have expectations.
Pearl Academy.
A window to design pedagogy, which I thought, I couldn't even think of being there. And
Okay.
meeting with lots of amazing people.
Good. Good. India.
Matribhumi,
And last but
that
not
is
the least.
me. That is
Yes.
me. After lava, that is India.
Yes. Last but not least, this initiative, India Bounce Back.
I think it was required 25 years back, but it is happening now.
Thank you.
I'm a person who keeps cribbing. Why aren't we doing this? Why aren't we doing this? My son says, Mama, now you have started. My students also used to say, you are so patriotic. When I used to teach, I was very patriotic. So
Yes.
they used to say, no, I'm so happy that if this is happening now, I think I've been following Modi ji since 2009.
True.
Not as Modi ji, but as a leader who believed in transformation
Yes.
for the development of the people and for at the grassroots level. I respect him for that.
True.
He does not work for himself. उनको अपने लिए क्या काम करना है?
True.
He is working for the nation.
True.
He's
Very true.
committed. He's
He's
committed. He's
committed.
making a lot of, but he is for the nation, and I respect him for that.
True. True.
We are not, see, we are human. He is also human. If he is committing mistakes, we should, as a citizen, should be helping him, remove those cobwebs if we are in that position. If a lot of people are in that position, as a leader who is, who is thinking of India, he wants India to be like a developed nation. And because of the population, a lot of things which have not been worked upon, we are facing this crisis.
True.
And it is very easy to, sit on a chair and talk and write trash on Facebook and, social
True.
medias.
True. True.
But do
True.
you have the guts to go and stand there, take those kind of decisions which he's taking with, when he became the Prime Minister, there was hardly anything in our country.
Yes. Yes.
So I kudos to that man, going out to the world, talking to people, trying to create a platform for India. Indians were looked down upon abroad,
Yes.
because of
Yes.
these situations. So for
Yes.
me, bouncing back is the best which is happening for our country and for all the people. At the grassroots level, more, they need to be, brought up. And we as people, we people, if we can do that, holding fingers does work at times. We have to
True.
do that.
True. True.
Then
True.
only we'll be at par. I'm very against feudalistic or hierarchical stuff. Let them be there like the vote banks are.
True.
You understand politics.
Yes.
But yes, this is a platform which I am for. And
Thank you.
yes, whatever we can in our position, very small
should.
position we have, we should be doing.
We should be doing it. Thank you so much. That's an encouraging thought, and it will give us encouragement to do better, to do more, and
Yeah.
take support of people like you whenever we would like to do some other great initiatives for the
We're
country.
trying to also create skills, for youngsters,
Yes.
because there are a lot of trained youngsters also who are not given right training,
Yes.
especially in interiors.
Yes.
So they pay a lot of money, but they're not taught well.
True.
So
That
I'm
happens.
starting something which can, get those things on a better platform. And also for workers, for crafts, to
Yes.
get better money, which they are not, So I want to work there.
Sure. Sure. Now moving to the round three, and
Yes.
and this is about like what all we faced in last 4 or 5 months of this COVID time, this pandemic time, and how the future will look like. So my first question is, how, according to you, last 5 months had impacted our country, and what impact it had on you as an individual? Positive, negative, both.
Yes. Negative impact ये था कि people lost their livelihoods,
True.
especially the day-to-day wagers and also small-time workers who had to leave their work and go back to their roots. Positive, they went back to their roots. Agriculture had taken a standstill because there was a mass exodus of workers from villages to the cities. And India, which is 80% agricultural, I would say 80% because it is. I'm happy that the land is getting back its children because we are this. We have been agriculture for ages, and the state governments which had shunned their responsibilities, they have to get their responsibility into focus, create jobs, create opportunities, so that people remain in their states, in their homes, who don't have to leave homes to go all the way to other states and to fend for basic livelihood. Roti kapda, makan to mile na mile. So for this also they had to leave the homes. That was unfortunate. So pandemic ने वहाँ वो काम किया है. दूसरा pandemic ने ये किया है कि उसने आपको आज में जीना सिखा दिया है. It has taught you to live in today. You have to take care of hygiene. You have to take care of the families had lost connect.
True.
They had forgotten how to talk to each other. Forgotten in that sense that there was people were on their mobiles, tablets, blah, notebook, but they were not talking to each other. जब एक महीने वो टीवी टैबलेट मोबाइल से थक गए तो फाइनली दे केम बैक टू टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, प्लेइंग लूडो, प्लेइंग things like that.
Yes,
So a
yes.
kind of family connect happened, people starting cooking at home, everybody was eating out, वो चाहे ट्रैश हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, डब्बे में पैक हो गया तो it is good. So so fresh cooking which was the base of a country. Cooking पूरे कंट्री में, इंडिया में फ्रेश कुकिंग होती थी. आटे का डो सुबह का सुबह, दोपहर का दोपहर, शाम
दोपहर
को
को
शाम.
शाम.
वो डो अब होने लगा जो पहले नहीं होता था. Women, I'm a woman. People had शॉर्टकट्स में हम जीने लगे थे. तो अभी एक बड़ी अच्छी सी पॉजिटिव सी फीलिंग आ गई है इन अ फैमिली, एंड व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी and positive in family, you spread that thing around. People have become less restless. They were very restless. They have become very quiet, calm. Sounds कम हो गई हैं. Nature has become so nice. You see the trees, they are so beautiful and lively and green. The
True.
plants at home have responded to the touch of people who have plants at home. They have taken a different shape. So pandemic for me is lot of positives. Yes, negative. Lot of people have lost their lives. Lot of officials, professionals who are helping, they have lost their lives in this, in their service to the nation and people, which is really sad. And we salute them also from the bottom of our heart. But it has got us to live within limits.
True.
हमें, because the things are not easily available. So अगर इतना है तो you had to manage within that. And coming to the industry now, people were jittery coming to the industry. How will we work? How will we safe?
Yes.
And they have become so hygiene conscious. For me, that is a very, very big point.
Very big point. Yeah. True. True. True.
So automatically, you start taking care of yourself, you become healthy human beings. Nobody was taking care of workers. Today, workers are being told you have to wear a mask, you have to, so in a way, you are automatically taking care of people around you. You are responsible towards them. So pandemic for me is like lot of fear. And yes, we don't have lot of money right now. So we are going with the flow. जितना आ रहा है उतने में खुश रहो. Try to do the best out of it. Try to do something new out of it. See opportunities, how you can help people, how you can help your family. So there's a lot of positives. On a larger tone, on the industry, on the global or on the India, I think post अभी जो चल रहा है pandemic, अभी जो situation है, collaboration
Yes.
is a big thing. 4-5 लोग मिलके जो एक जन कमाता था वो 4 मिल के कमा रहे हैं. So you are giving livelihood to a lot of people. You are creating out of limitations, and there is a more of collaborative co-working which is happening now, which is good. Industry never was so knit. Now it is the way it is now.
True, true, true,
That
true.
is a very positive thing. Especially in my field, interior designers were not very close knit. Fashion industry was. So in our product design, interior design, people are now working together. So
Working together.
that is a plus point.
I think this is something I also felt, like there was a little bit of like it's my work, my way, my thing, and now
Yeah.
people have realized that collaboration will give opportunity for us in a better way, or else we unnecessarily create competitions. Actually, we have created unnecessary competitions in the past. Yes, yeah,
आप जैसे ये था कि आप कॉर्पोरेट कर रहे हो अगर इंटीरियर, तो पहले फर्नीचर का वेंडर कोई और होता था. अभी क्या है, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स, कम्युनिकेशन डिजाइनर्स, प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर्स, फर्नीचर डिजाइनर्स, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स वर्किंग टुगेदर.
yes,
So
yes.
you have a group, a conglomeration of professionals who have the same thinking process, may be different, but the result is positive.
True.
So that is a very positive thing which is coming out
I
of
think,
it.
and this is also learning to my viewers. I really want to just emphasize on this point. Momentum can create magic in future. If you just stuck in your egos and don't move ahead, that momentum, it will require a lot of pain and lot of efforts to gain back that momentum. So don't lose the momentum. Collaboration is the key word, which Sushmita ji also refers to. So go ahead, see the kind of collaborations which we can do, and I think momentum will create magic. Always remember. Ma'am, a question which I, being a strong contributor and a sort of a veteran in this interior design industry, for working for almost 3 decades now, how do you see the dynamics changing because of this pandemic? Uh, and what, according to you, could be the new normal for this interior design industry?
The new normal is be humble. People have already humbled in
Yes,
terms of,
the mother nature
because
has made them humble now.
yes, they have already humbled in terms of their ambitions also,
True.
in terms of budgeting, a lot of things, and dynamics in a in a very positive way has uh, got a new momentum, I would say, because earlier it was very very forceful.
True.
Now the dynamics have changed to more social outlook, towards a more social outlook, and we are thinking of not just one traffic. Now we are not putting eggs in one basket, we are trying to put eggs in different baskets so that the livelihood keeps going.
Keeps going. Yes.
So
Yes.
that has also changed, so if people who were just interior designers earlier are trying to go into different also professions, and I think it is in a way good, because you are not insecure.
Yes.
You're not insecure, and you're more lulled. When you're insecure, you're more aggressive, you're more, you're driven, in a negative way. But when you're secure, you're driven in a positive way.
Positive way.
And
Yes.
that
True.
is what the dynamics are today. Why? You don't have many options.
Yes.
So go with the flow. Whatever is coming, acceptance is the biggest dynamic right now.
True.
Accept it in a good way, not half-hearted way. See the pros and cons. See the pros in situations. And India being a developing country, India being a very very big country, people should realize the kind of business opportunities we have, nobody has. The world saw it, and they are coming, they have started coming for the past 2.5 decades, and they want to come back. But we should not let them. We have to be our own soul, whole soul of our country. This is in our hands.
True.
we should
True.
we should use our resources for ourselves and help our people grow. Why should we
True.
pay to outsiders?
True.
It's good that outsiders are coming, but we should not let them, you know overtake. It should
Yes.
not be a 65, it should not be a 70%, 30% contract. It should be a reversal. We
Yeah.
should be 70%, they should be 70%.
Yeah. So anybody comes are welcome if they add value. But if they are coming because we are not competent, then it's not right.
Yes.
I think
So
we
we
should.
have to work on our competencies.
Yes, yes. And
Lot of
then, and I think
competencies.
the call of Atmanirbhar Bharat is somewhat related to that. And
अब एब्सोल्युटली आपके पास बहुत सारे, मैं आपको एक छोटी छोटी चीजें बताती हूँ. देयर आर ग्रासेस कॉल्ड सरपत, गांव में होता है, हमारे यूपी में बता रही हूँ. वहाँ वो ब्लेड की तरह ग्रास होता है और उसके फैंस बनते थे और वो फैंस इतने कलरफुल और इतना सुंदर होता था एंड इट यूज्ड टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, वो टूटता नहीं था. So those the same sarpat grass can be used for making panels for fall ceiling, you know,
oh,
for panels for walls. So many things which I'm taking now. You know, this is what I'm going to do. That's what I said. You know, I'm taking the skills and making people recognize what they had and how much money they can make out of it and get them directly to the government. The
true,
middlemen also are there on the website, on the sites with the government. Those middlemen need to be cut out absolutely.
true,
Here we come in.
true, true, true.
तो ऐसे
Wonderful.
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which we can help people recognize and create and help them earn and give to the creative world also. So
Yes,
you're helping the creative world with new product, you're helping the villages, you're trying to help both ways.
both ways, both ways. Yes, it will be a contribution to the ecosystem as a whole. Thank you so much
Yes.
for that. So, although this question I know the answer, but still I will ask this question: are you confident that India will bounce back?
Always.
Always.
I'm a dead, hardcore positive person. I've never seen negativity or pessimism in any way in my life, nor in my country. And I think Indians have a inbuilt sensor, which वो जाते हैं, वो सेंसर एक एज पे आके वो सेंसर उनको ड्रॉबैक कर लेता है. ये इंडियंस की खासियत रही है.
True.
So
True.
this is what India is about.
Wonderful.
We did topple over and we did overlook our own competencies, but India realized its potential and it is coming back now, and I'm
Wow.
happy.
Wow. Wow. Great. 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 What will be your top 3 advices for your fellow members or colleagues of interior designing industry across India when they are trying to bounce back?
No shortcut. Try to create. There's creation in everything.
True.
You don't have to create big. Creating small is more difficult than creating big.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
Create small, cater to, be kind, be very sensitive to people and surrounding around you. You will never be short of creation. Help and make people realize, and as professionals also, you have to realize what is your focus in life as a professional. What is that you have to deliver for which you have been trained for?
True.
That's all. If you're focused on that, I don't think so. You will never need anything in life. You will always be on track.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And don't get influenced by glamour. It is very short-lived.
Yes. Yes. Very true. Very true.
लोग कहते हैं कि हम लोग के लाइन में विदाउट सोशलाइजिंग आप जिम खाना क्लब नहीं जाओगे, पब्स नहीं जाओगे, तो आपका सोशल सराउंडिंग नहीं बनेगा. I fail to understand that. I don't believe in that. That world does not exist. It is good for having a nice time, but not, I don't think so. Business is totally dependent on that.
Before moving to the last question, I must compliment you for one thing. After listening to this complete interview so far, I got this realization myself that I am on the right track, because 90% of what you are saying, what you have faced, what you are have faced or are challenging, not maybe because of on the family front rather, but all these issues, all these things I have been faced, because groomed in a grounded way. The upbringing was in a village, then later came to the city. Same thoughts, people say, if you really want to grow, people have and multiple times they told me that you need to go to these clubs and parties. If you really don't mingle with great influencers, you will never be in that league. If you want to be in that league, you have to do that. And I am not able to understand this. Then if this is the criteria, I believe in networking, no doubt about it. Connecting with right people is a different aspect. But
Yeah.
but then, how does if this is the parameter of success, then where lies my competencies? Then where lie my skills? I am a doctorate in management. I think then there is a waste of time if whatever I've done then. So what most of the things I've gone through, and the way you strongly put it, gives me a strong sense today that I'm on the right track. there is someone who has already gone through this, and if I'm going through the same thing, I'm on the right track.
Oh, how sweet. I think it is both ways. I learn a lot from youngsters today. I think they are very focused also.
Yes.
They are focused. Only the mediums which they choose is what
Yes.
they have to be very careful about.
True. And the one challenge which I feel as a consultant trainer working with different category, different age bracket, I feel because of this unnecessary knowledge bombardment
Ah,
through social media, it is creating chaos in their life. It is making them more confused rather than empowered.
हमारे गांव में एक कहावत थी, आधी गगरी ज्यादा पानी छलकता है.
हाँ,
You understand?
अधगल
जो
जगरी
खड़े होते हैं, वो नहीं
छलकत जाए.
छलकता.
Yes, yes.
हाँ, तो जो आधी गगरी वाले हैं वो ऊट पटांग बहुत लिखते हैं, उनको पढ़ने लिखने का कुछ पता नहीं होता है. They just have their attention grabbers, seekers,
True.
the most insecure people. They want to have their presence, felt on the social media. So all that muck and crap is sorted and shared. One should not, I always urge the youngsters, please read. They have forgotten how to read. In fact, they haven't not bought into this thing of reading.
Yes.
So they should read every day things what is happening. Then you start knowing what is happening,
True.
even in
True.
your own profession.
Yes.
As you
Yes.
have done, my God, you are so highly qualified. मैं तो एक लेबर हूँ.
नहीं. Your experience is far better and far more. Thank you so much. The last question:
Yes.
what role, as an individual, as a contributor, as an educator, as an influencer, as an entrepreneur, you're playing so many roles. So what role do you feel in all these elements Sushmita Singh ji will be playing in contributing to the new normal?
Being more humane is the most important thing at this point of time, and not as a sham, but from the way you are, and just go the way you're going. Don't lose what you have. What we have right now is peace. We are, in fact, very lucky to have this phase. Please introspect, and that is what Sushmita Singh is doing also. I would love that people introspect what they have done all these years, what these 4 months have given you, and then you weigh, and then you go ahead.
Wow. Good.
Weighing is important now.
True. Your last message for the entire country of India. Entire country now.
My God. Yes.
So all the viewers who are watching, the last message for them.
Respect yourself, respect your land, because your land is you, your flag is you. Without your land, without your flag, without your motherland, you are nothing. Respect your parents. You are on this earth because of them. They are humans. They might have their positives and negatives. Give them that due respect and take yourself forward with all these values. Never lose your values in my life. They are the dharohar of your entire life journey in everything.
True. Thank you.
Bowing
Thank you.
down.
Sorry, last.
I said, and bowing to the world is not a big thing. It will only, bring you happiness.
True. Thank you so much, Sushmita Singh ji. Thank you so much for such an insightful, wonderful interview. And to all the viewers, if you really are inspired and got a lot of learning, do share your comments. Let us feel great about all these learnings. And if you have any specific question which you would like to ask Sushmita ji, please do write. We will connect with her and get those answers for you. Keep watching, keep inspiring, and last but not the least, India will bounce back and nobody can stop it. Thank you, Sushmita ji, once again.
Thank
Thank you for
you. Thank you,
sparing time.
everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you.
Dr.
Thank
Deendra.
you. Thank you.
Pleasure talking to you.
Same here, madam.